at the pick and pull to look for a bumper cover for a 2009 Chevy Cobalt I'm rebuilding. It's a 4-door. I know they're not going to have the right color, but I needed to finish the quarter panel bodywork. Alright, this is a white 2010 or 2009 Chevy Cobalt. So the bumper cover doesn't look horrible. Let's see what other ones they have to choose from. Alright, looks like I'm going to take the white one. It's not in the best shape. It is pretty easy to remove the rear bumper cover. You remove the taillights, remove all the clips in the inner wheel well, and then I think there's a 7 or 8 millimeter right up here. 7 or 8 millimeter up here. There's a Torx bit behind the taillight. A few clips. So let's get started. The only other 4-door bumper cover they have is on that red Chevy Cobalt, but that's in a little bit worse shape. Shame, usually you can find the right color, but I have 30 days to exchange this. Alright, now just to pull the bumper cover off, all I have to do is slightly pull out and up. Squeeze that off. Alright, and that's what this side should look like. Let's think about cutting this out. Alright, I got the bumper cover and the plastic that holds the bumper tight to the car, impact foam, and most importantly, the receipt that you need to pass the state patrol inspection. Total is $71.05, and there's that $4.99 core charge. Fold this up and put it in the car. I'm still waiting for the right color to come in, or maybe a black one for that car. And if it does, I have 30 days to return this, so we'll see. Testing out the Harbor Freight dent repair stud welder kit. I bought this from Harbor Freight Tools, and it was an open box, so it was usually $100, and now it's been reduced to $80. But one of the things about buying an open box from Harbor Freight is they only give you 5 days to return it. So I want to see if this works, and I have the quarter panel I'm going to be repairing, but as you can see, the weather is not cooperating. So I'm going to give it a quick test. I'm going to pull out this part of the dent right here and see how it works. First thing I have to do is sand it down so I can get bare metal so I can weld on the stud. Alright, now to pull the stud welder out of the kit. Let's see what all comes with it. This was an open box, so I'm sure it's been used. Alright, let's see what this thing looks like. So you have your stud welder. And then you have your large studs and your smaller ones. Looks like this person used the large ones. Alright, let's give it a quick test. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.